Ever tripped over a light stand while trying to look all professional? Yeah, me too. It's one of those classic moments that make you question your life choices, right? But hey, it's all part of the learning curve. Starting a photography business can be clumsy at first, kind of like a giraffe on roller skates. You wobble, you stumble, and sometimes you fall flat on your face. But that's okay, because every stumble is a step forward. But hey, even the pros started somewhere. They didn't just wake up one day with perfect shots and flawless technique. They had their fair share of awkward moments and learning experiences. It's all about passion, a little hustle, and maybe some duct tape for the equipment, not your clients. Seriously, duct tape can be a lifesaver when you're in a pinch. It's the unsung hero of many a photo shoot. My own journey started with a beat-up camera and a whole lot of enthusiasm. I didn't have the latest gear or the fanciest lenses, but I had a burning desire to capture the world through my lens. I photographed everything: pigeons in the park, my grandma's cat, even that weird stain on my apartment wall I could never quite figure out. Each click of the shutter was a new adventure, a new story waiting to be told. Point is, I was hooked. The thrill of capturing a moment, freezing it in time, was intoxicating. It didn't matter if the subject was mundane or extraordinary. Every shot was a piece of my journey. That's the first step, loving what you do. If you're passionate about photography, the rest will follow. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your work and people will notice. The rest? Well, that's what this guide's for. We're going to dive deep into the nitty-gritty of starting your own photography business. From choosing the right gear to marketing your services, we've got you covered. We'll break down the steps, share some laughs, and have you snapping your way to success in no time. Because let's face it, if you're not having fun, what's the point? So grab your camera, ditch the giraffe, unless it's a paying client, and let's do this. Together, we'll navigate the ups and downs, the oops moments, and the triumphs. Ready? Let's make some magic happen. Okay, let's talk gear. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right equipment can make a world of difference in your photography journey. It's tempting to empty your bank account on the shiniest new camera, but trust me, it's not about the price tag. The most expensive gear won't automatically make you a better photographer. Start with what you can afford. Even a smartphone can take awesome photos these days. The key is to understand your device's capabilities and limitations. Master the basics first: composition, lighting, telling a story with your images. These fundamentals are the building blocks of great photography. As you grow, you can upgrade your kit. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. Exciting, right? Lenses are your superpowers. Each lens offers a different perspective and can dramatically change the look and feel of your photos. A versatile zoom lens is your trusty sidekick for everyday shoots, allowing you to capture a wide range of subjects without constantly changing lenses. While a prime lens, fixed focal length, can add that dreamy, blurry background magic. Prime lenses are often sharper and faster, making them ideal for portraits and low-light situations. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. Don't miss a moment just because you don't have your fancy gear. Don't forget about editing software. It's an essential part of the photography process. It's like the magic wand that polishes your photos to perfection. Editing can enhance colors, correct exposure, and even remove unwanted elements. There are free options like GIMP or paid ones like Adobe Lightroom. Each software has its own set of tools and features, so explore and find what suits your needs. Play around, experiment, and find what works best for your style. Editing is an art form in itself, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. The key is to enhance, not overpower your images. Subtle adjustments can make a big difference, bringing out the best in your photos without making them look overprocessed. Time to get specific. Let's dive deep into what truly excites you about photography. What kind of photography makes your heart sing? Is it the intimate and emotional world of portraits? Or perhaps the vast and awe-inspiring landscapes that take your breath away? Maybe it's the art of making food look so delicious that viewers can almost taste it through the screen. Food photography can be incredibly rewarding and mouth-watering. Finding your niche is crucial. It helps you target the right clients and allows you to develop and showcase your unique style. This specialization can set you apart in a crowded market. Think about your passions and skills. What do you love to capture? What are you naturally good at? If you're a people person with a knack for capturing genuine smiles and emotions, portraits might be your thing. There's something magical about freezing a moment of joy or connection. If you're a nature lover with an eye for breathtaking scenery, landscape photography could be your calling. Imagine capturing the beauty of a sunrise over a mountain range or the serenity of a forest. Or maybe you're obsessed with the intricate details of perfectly plated food. Food photography allows you to combine your love for culinary arts with your photography skills. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different genres. You never know what might spark your interest or reveal a hidden talent. You might discover a hidden talent for underwater macro photography, capturing the tiny wonders of the ocean. Or perhaps you'll find your groove shooting edgy urban landscapes, showcasing the raw beauty of city life. The most important thing is to choose something you're passionate about. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your work and attract clients who appreciate your unique perspective. After all, enthusiasm is contagious, and it'll show in your work. When you love what you do, it resonates with others and creates a lasting impact.